The species confined to a particular region and not found elsewhere is termed as? The answer is option D, endemic. The species that is confined to a particular region, it is not found elsewhere, is referred to as endemic, and these species have adapted to the specific conditions of that region and may not survive outside it. So the answer is option D. Coming to option A, rare. A rare species is one that has a small population or is difficult to find, but it doesn't necessarily have to be confined to a specific region. So option A is incorrect. Option B, keystone. A keystone species is one that has a disproportionality large impact on its ecosystem relative to its abundance. That means its presence or absence significantly affects the structure and functioning of the ecosystem. So option B is incorrect. Option C, alien. An alien species, also known as invasive or non-native species, which is one that is introduced to an area where it does not naturally occur and it is not native to that region. So that means option C is also incorrect. The correct answer is option D.